Let's discuss the keto diet, a popular weight loss and health strategy that has gained immense popularity in recent years. The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that forces the body to use stored fat as its primary energy source, leading to weight loss and various health benefits. So, what is the keto diet all about? A typical keto diet consists of high amounts of fat, such as animal products, avocados, nuts, and seeds, along with moderate amounts of protein and very little carbohydrate. The body enters a state of ketosis, where it converts stored fat into glucose, providing the body with the necessary energy it needs to function. There are several potential benefits of following a keto diet, including weight loss, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels. Some people may experience muscle gain on a high-carb diet, but this is not common with the keto diet, as it promotes fat gain. Now, some people may worry about following a keto diet for an extended period, as it can lead to feelings of hunger and cravings. However, many experts suggest that a keto diet can be sustainable and safely followed for years, with occasional deviations for taste and portion control. To safely follow a keto diet, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or dietitian to ensure it's the right choice for your individual needs. Additionally, it's crucial to stay hydrated and monitor one's blood sugar levels, as too much carbohydrate can lead to hypoglycemia. In conclusion, the keto diet can be a powerful tool for those looking to lose weight and improve their overall health. By encouraging the body to use stored fat for energy, it can lead to weight loss and various health benefits. Just be sure to consult with a professional and follow the guidelines to ensure a safe and successful keto diet experience.